I met Dr. Mantis while working out at a fitness center. To me, health and wellness was working out, treadmills, weightlifting, and conversations at the fitness center, finding out that he was a dentist and talking about dentistry with him. I learned a little more about health and wellness through oral hygiene and what it could mean. We became friends, and when I had a dental need or if I let things go too far, I called him right away.
Once we got to know each other pretty good, I noticed his teeth. So, of course, I'm a dentist. So I'm looking at his teeth. I noticed his lower teeth were worn down quite a bit. His bite was, we call it a closed bite, where the teeth are just like this instead of like this. So I could see he was grinding and hitting his teeth as he chewed. So we went through a protocol where we cleaned them up, and then we did an after saliva test, and everything was either gone or very low. So that told us that what we did worked, and now we can go on the next step, which was for him, because of his bite and the way he was worn his teeth out, we didn't have any room to add to his teeth because it was so tight. So we had to do braces. So braces, what we did is he was like this, and so we moved the teeth out. We went ahead through the process. We did the braces first. We got everything aligned. We made the room. And then once we had the room, we did what's called the wax up, and we made his crowns from there. And now everything's level. He has a nice bite now. He's not banging his teeth when he chews. So he's a businessman, and I think that's done well for his business too, the way he presents himself.
My first few after all the crowns were installed, it was life-altering in the sense that a lot of people were mentioning my smile, and I think I was smiling a lot more than I normally would. Eating and ordering in restaurants, ordering a drink with ice was like a new thing because I was always ordering no ice because of the temperature, and it's life-altering. I used to shy away from taking pictures or just smirking, and now I'm all about the smile in making sure that I show my teeth. You either do it now or you do it later. The expense of it is probably better now than it would be later.